Hello, Mrs. McGuire here. Hope you're having a great year so far and that your students are off to a wonderful start. If you're new to Calvary, welcome. Just a little bit about myself. I have been attending Calvary Christian Church, Calvary Church since 1997. Started here with my husband in the premarital classes, and we just love it here. My three children are dedicated at this church, and we now attend Boca and just love the teaching that we get here and being involved. This is really our home away from home and our extended family, so we really enjoy it. CCA, I started teaching here in 2011, and my three children came with me at that time, and it's just been a blessing, an experience that I cannot compare to any other school because this is my little family here. I teach with my friends. My colleagues have become my friends, and I love my students and the teachers that love on my children. Oh, just so dear to my heart. So I hope that if you're new here that you're finding all of this to be true as you meet people and have a wonderful experience here at CCA. Springboard and honors geometry. Let me answer some of those questions for you. First of all, honors geometry. It is a big class, and it is a fast-paced class, and it is a challenging class. And so you're going to find that students are going to get their first B or their first C or maybe even their first D on a quiz, and it is going to enable them to reach new heights that they haven't reached before, to really work hard and strive and be challenged, which is great for them. So I hope that you'll encourage them in this way. Why is it so difficult? Why have they had such an easy time before? Geometry has many different theorems and rules that we're going to learn, and in this class I expect them to be able to apply those things. And so I'm not just going to teach them I'm going to teach them what they need to know, but they have to take that, and the application process is what can be difficult. And then Springboard curriculum. Here it is. We have a book for every student, and yes, these are consumable, which means do not eat it, but you can write inside of it. So a consumable textbook, and they will be working in these with their lessons with me. Once in a while, I do step away from the Springboard and do my own lessons just because time doesn't permit us to do everything Springboard. It is a wonderful curriculum. I have been teaching math for 12 years in the classroom. I was home with my kids for 6 years, and I tutored all that time, and so I've had a lot of honors geometry and geometry experiences along the way, and I can tell you that this curriculum takes students to a depth of understanding that I've never had in students before. I can ask them questions that are more challenging that I've never been able to ask other students. And don't forget, this curriculum is written by College Board, and so they're the ones that make the AP test that your students will be taking in calculus. And they are also the ones that make the SAT that your students will have to take to get into that really awesome college that they're hoping for. So this is preparing the way and setting a high standard along the way. They also ask those questions, those explanation questions that help your student take what they know and really intellectually put it down into a beautiful structured sentence. And that's the hard part, and that's what we'll be working on along the way. So you should have seen this book coming home. You can expect half an hour of homework a night in this class. Right now it's a little bit easier because it's kind of basic, and it will ramp up and it will get more challenging, I know. Extra help is going to be on Wednesdays. I originally put it on my syllabus as a Tuesday, but my daughter made the volleyball team. Woo-hoo. So we are going to be having it on Wednesdays, and I will put out an announcement on Haiku to remind you of that, so you don't have to write it down. Okay, and the best way to get a hold of me is please email me. Email me through Haiku, or you can just email me at charism@ccaeagles.org. It's charism@ccaeagles.org, and I will get back to you hopefully within 24 hours or sooner. So I haven't answered all your questions in this lovely video. Feel free to email me. Until then, may God bless you, and may you have a wonderful year.